Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEGY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one before, I can't remember when, but had some questions on it come in, so I want to get it updated here as the week has drawn to an end, and just talk about some supports and resistances, and that way everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective for next week. So first, let's start off with some supports. Two very obvious levels of support that the price has been basically fluctuating waiting between is right here, this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average, this pink line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. When we're down in these 000 stocks, I don't want to say these lose total significance, but it's more of incremental movements. And once you get up here, things can move a little bit faster. But when you're hovering right around 000s, again, I'm not saying these are totally worthless or anything like that. It is nice to know and take note of where they're at. But the more important levels of support and resistance are more of static, exact levels. So what do I mean by that? Well, looking at the chart, 0.01 seems to be putting in a nice fight of support. Sure, the price has dropped below it multiple times, but every time that the closing bell has come around, the price is closed back above it, so that remains a level of support. So this is definitely a key level of support, and the reason I say it's a key level is you don't want a stock to drop back down to 000s. When that happens and it closes down in that area, it's just kind of hard to get out. This, I would say, is more of the exception and not the rule. This is another level of support. When the price dropped down and hit 0007, and then it very quickly got out of the 000, so that was very impressive. But like I said, this is more of the exception, not the rule. So that's good for the bulls to show that strength, but ideally you don't want to see it drop back into 000s. But nonetheless, 0007 is another key level of support. Now, in terms of resistance levels, pretty darn straightforward on this one. The level that is just being a complete thorn in the side of this chart is right up here, and this level is at 0.0017. So 0017, for whatever reason, is just like I said, being a thorn in the side of the chart once, twice, 3 and 4 times right there. But with a break of 007, and I should note, the good news is the more stubborn a level of resistance is, usually the harder it runs if the price can break through it. So if the price can get through this 007 or 0017, then lots of area to run, and really nothing resistance-wise until up here, which is right around the 0023 area. And when we're talking about a sub stock like this, those percentages add up very quickly. After 0023, then nothing until the high 002. So again, definitely for whatever reason, hard for the price to get through this level here, but if it does, nice potential for the chart. And going into this whole week, really nice increase in volume, so you gotta love that too. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And also, if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching spread across multiple videos. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself and into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was AEGY. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.